get this? Huh?
Yeah.
Stay on your side.
How you doing, Renee?
No. She took my noodle.
It's like, fine, bitch, you ain't gonna eat it than I am. What's up, Renee?
Why am I feeding all the dogs? Get out of my face! No.
You're not doing a very good job of blocking the camera. Hello, dog.
Nope.
Drop. Where you going? Oh, there's doggy. Yeah, it's my camera. Hello, doggy.
Okay, I think we're good now.
Doggy! What are you doing, dog? Oh,
Okay, I think we're good.
you're never good, Renee.
No.
I just burped in the camera. It's awesome. Dude, I'm gonna make a YouTube account just so I can put this on YouTube. I keep burping.
I'm done. Focus on the dog.
How you doing, Renee? How are you feeling today? Don't fucking look at me like that.
You'd be my face.
You couldn't keep your face. Why don't you tell me about the guy that got caught in the bathroom?
It's about to fall off. And it's gonna die. It's gonna be all your fault. Because it got hit by a car.
Shut up.
You didn't get it off the fork.
Why don't you tell everyone about the guy that got caught in the bathroom?
No, I'm going away now.
Okay.